Here's date and time on my iPhone 14 Pro. In this video, we're going to ride the Central elevators here at Chicago Union Station in Chicago, Illinois. It also looks like beneath these escalators they're doing some kind of renovations. I'm not sure what this is going to be, but here's a little behind the scenes of it. Anyways, we'll start by taking a ride on the left elevator here. And just like the south elevator, this one is also a Montgomery with Innovation Universal buttons. So let's take it on a ride. And we're going to head up because since the basement is locked. There's the basement floor down there. And here's the elevator. So now we're going to head up to the street level. And going up, we will watch this side. So here we are at the street. And now we're going to head back down to A. Yeah, I see the basement's locked. And look out this side going down. Seems to have a working bell still. This does seem to be a bit shaky today. And I think there used to be clear glass on that on the exterior door for the on the baggage claim level, but it looks like it's fog glass now. So watch this close up. And on the other elevator, we're gonna watch indicator and get a cab view. Follow it up. And here it comes. As you can see, it takes quite a lot of level to the floor. And here it is. Looks like there used to be a floor indicator there, but then they removed it. And it just has an innovation lantern there. So let's head out to the street. We're going to watch the indicator this time. This one seems to run a bit smoother than the left one. So now let's head back down to A. Get a cab view. Looks pretty decent for a train station. Here's Mr. Security in that corner. And this has got both a front and a rear door. And it's got COPs on both sides. Those are your indicators. I'm not going to bother the phone box. But it looks like... Actually, I'm going to hold this open. It looks like it's labeled A for Amtrak. So this level is the Amtrak level. So the M level is Metra. M is for Metra, A is for Amtrak, and S is street level, of course. Is your indicator on that side. And your emergency light. Speaker for the phone. Your buttons. And there's your inspection certificate. Those are your keypad to access the basement. So now we're going to watch this close up. Oh shit, it's going down. I'm going to see if it goes anywhere.
May I have your attention, please? Amtrak announces the boarding call of train 335, the Hiawatha service, now boarding on track 17 with the final destination of downtown Milwaukee. Only ticketed customers are permitted on the boarding platform at this time. Amtrak welcomes you aboard train 335, the Hiawatha service, to downtown Milwaukee. Thank you for choosing Amtrak.
Okay. Well, this is interesting. Huh. It went down to the basement, but there's no one there. There's the basement. And I'll go back up to the Amtrak level. And we'll watch the leveling from here. So yeah, it's funny. I filmed the south elevator just now, and I got down and went down to. Are you using the elevator, sir? Okay. So there it goes. But as I was saying, when I filmed the south elevator earlier, that went down to the basement, and somehow I got lucky by riding this elevator. So yeah, that was quite an interesting experience. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed, and that'll be it.